Yeah, children, coming to quadratic equations. So quadratic equations, when nature of the roots is given, how to find out k. Level 1 is over, level 2 is over. Today we are going to discuss level 3 sums. Level 3 sums. Okay, children. So for open the link in the description, children. I have given a link. There are 10 sums I have given, children. Coming to the first sum. Okay, b minus c, b minus c, x square plus a c minus a, c minus a x plus a minus b is equal to 0 as real and equal roots, children. Real and equal roots, that is common, children. Prove that we have to require to prove is we have to prove that 2b is equal to a plus c. Because it is real roots, what is the condition, children? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Who is b? Whichever is there for x is b. C minus a whole square minus 4 into who is a? B minus c is a. And who is c? A minus b is equal to 0. Okay, children. Now expand this, children. C square plus a square minus 2ac. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus. Okay, children. So what will be, children? 4 into b into a, b into b minus b square, c into a minus bc, c into b plus bc is equal to 0. Please check, children. C square plus a square minus 2 minus 4ab minus 4b square minus into minus plus 1, children, plus minus into minus plus 4ac and minus 4bc is equal to 0. Okay, children. This, if you see seriously, children, from full concentration, 9 plus identity is coming out, children, here. Okay, slowly I will show you, children. See here. This is a square. Okay, this is b square 2b whole square. This is c square plus ab, only here it is there, minus 4 bc, only here it is there, minus 4 CA, here it is there, children, plus 4ac minus 2ac plus 2 is equal to 0. If you write this, children, slowly in the form of, I'm writing here, children, here I'm writing, this is in the form of a square, this is in the form of b whole square plus c square minus 2. Children, once you see, children, wherever b is there, wherever c here, wherever b is there, there minus is there. Try to understand, children. In 9th class also I said, wherever b is there, minus is there. So for 2b you put minus. Do you remember, children, this concept? Wherever b is there, right, minus is there. Actually, this is plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is in the form of. But wherever minus b is there, minus is there. So for b only you put minus. Now what happens to a b? Because minus into minus. Okay. So 2a plus a square. Try to understand. I am writing in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. I am writing in this form. I am writing in this form. So plus into minus, minus. Okay, plus 2 into b plus 2 into what is b, children? B minus 2 plus into c. Children, I am writing in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, like that I am writing. So finally, this you can write as plus 2a, 2ab is over 2bc over 2ac. 2ac means 2 into 8. This we can write as a plus b plus 2c whole square. A plus b, because minus plus c whole square is equal to 0. Okay, children. This square will come here. A minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Bring minus 2b here. So a plus c is equal to 2b. Hence proved. Okay, children. This like sums won't be there in the textbook, children, but you have to do on your own, children, then only you understand. Then you will get doubts, sir. How to know that which identity we have to use? Means, I told you, children, you have to practice. Out of practice, you can Okay, you can identify what identity is given in a particular sum only by practice you get. I got a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Why I kept for 3 minus? Because wherever b is there, minus is there, that's why I kept minus. You have to practice minimum 2 to 3 times children, then you will understand like the sums. These sums will come regularly for 3 and 4 marks in board exam. In board exam. Sir, will it come, sir, because in textbook not given? It's, yes, it will come, children. Very nicely it will come. No problem there. In school exams, so literally they will give. Right now, MCQs are going and if theory exams are there, it's like these questions are very, very important. These are the questions which will decide your marks, children. Total marks. Anyway, children, this is first question. You have to practice 2 3 times, then you will understand. Children. Second question. Please check second question. Second question. What is the second question given, children? They have given that. Same condition is same, children. Real and equal roots. A square plus b square whole x square minus 2 into AC plus BDX plus C square plus D square is equal to 0. Condition is same, children, real and equal. Prove that A by B is equal to C by D. This is same condition, children. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 because real and equal roots. What is B, children? Same, minus 2 into AC plus BD whole square minus 4 into A square plus B square into C square plus D square is equal to 0. Okay, children. Minus 2 whole square is how much, children? 4 AC plus BD whole square minus 4 into A square plus B square into C square plus D square is equal to. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there. Take common and bring down, it will become 0. Here 4 is there, here 4 is there. Take common and bring down, 0 by 4 is 0. So I am removing 4, children. Okay. Now expand this in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab 2abc minus. Again, I'll put in the brackets later, children. A square into c square, a square c square, a square d square, b square c square, b square d square is equal to 0. Now let's open the brackets. A square c square plus b square d square plus 2abcd minus a square c square minus a square d square plus, oh, okay, minus b square c square minus b square d square is equal to 0. This gone, children. This gone, children. Now these three things, children, are there. This bring other side, children. If you bring these three things other side, what happens? Other side of the 0. This will become a square b square plus this will become, if you bring other side, b square c square. This you bring other side minus 2abc is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2b. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Who is a? AD. AD minus. Who is b? BC whole square is equal to 0. Because AD minus BC whole square is this. A square b square 2ab. Okay, so square if it comes down, AD minus BC is equal to 0. If this comes here, AD is equal to BC. Okay, according to the question, B bring here, B you take here. So what you get, children? A by B is equal to C by D. Hence true. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubt, children? You can ask. By practice, you'll understand the sums, children. You have to practice them, children. Then only you understand. Third sum, children. Please go to the third sum. Doing textbook sums and thinking that you understood everything and thinking that you know perfectly maths, that is not the thing. So many things which we have to learn. Is there in your textbook only Adi Sharma. Okay. There are two equations. Ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0 is one equation. The other equation is bx square minus 2 root of acx plus b is equal to 0. Okay. Both have equal roots. Prove that b square is equal to AC. Prove that b square is equal to AC. Prove that b square is equal to AC. Both have equal roots. Both have equal roots. So let's prove it. Here if it is equal roots, same b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here also equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b children here? 2b whole square 4 into a into c is equal to 0. What is b here children? What is b here? Minus 2 root ac whole square minus 4 into what is a children? B. What is c children? C also b is equal to 0. Try to understand children. 4b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay children. Next time what is here children? Minus 2 whole square is 4. Root of AC is AC minus 4
AC.
is equal to 0. 4 you take common children. B square minus AC is equal to 0. Here also 4 you take common. AC minus B square is equal to 0. Bring 4 down, bring 4 down. So children what happens here? So B square minus AC is equal to 0. Okay. Here also children AC minus B square is equal to 0. So bring B square here. B square is equal to AC. Bring AC here. B square is equal to AC. Hence prove in both the cases it is nothing else. Okay, it's very easy. This is your third subject. Hope it fourth subject in the link. Fourth subject. You have to practice like this, some children. Then only you will get understanding of the subject, children. Simply doing textbook sums and thinking that you understood everything is not good. Okay, fourth subject. Fourth sum. P minus q x square. Okay, plus 5 into p plus q x plus these children, all of you see here, plus 2 into p minus q is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, p is not equal to q. They have given that p is not equal to q. C was quite cheap. What happened? P is not equal to q. Okay, prove that roots are real and distinct. He is asking to prove that roots are real and distinct. Real and
D is greater than 0.
we have to prove that D is greater. We have to prove. Children, let's do first. Let me do b square minus 4ac. Let me find out. Let me find out. Okay, children. Yes, children. What is d children? B children. 5 into p plus q whole square minus 4 into p minus q into okay into 2 into p minus q. D is equal to 5 into 5 is 25. P plus q whole square 4 2 are 8 children. P minus q into p minus q whole square. Okay, children. You can understand now. D is equal to 25 into p plus q whole square how much? P square plus q square plus 2pq. P minus q whole square how much? P square plus q square minus 2pq. Okay, children, try to understand. So D is equal to 25p square, 25q square plus 50pq minus 8p square minus 8q square plus 16pq. Because minus it minus plus. Now D is equal to 25 minus 8 is how much children? 16p square. And 2q square minus 8q square is how much children? Minus 6q square. 50 plus 16 is how much children? 66.
Sir, that is 25 q
Yes,
square.
and here another 35 nobody is saying today what happened to you people, I don't understand. Everyone all right only, you know. Okay, so D is equal to children. So 16 is there, 16 is there, 66 is there. What will take common children? We'll take 2 up. Yeah, 2 only will take common children. So if you take okay, or else what we do children is we write it in the form of CH. I'll write this in the form of this. I'll write in the form of 4p whole square 4q whole square plus
Sir,
yeah,
sir, 25 square minus 8p square and 17p square.
what 20 plus 50 plus 16 63.
No, not there, sir. Here, sir. B is equal to 16p square is there. 25 b square minus 8 b square.
25 minus 8 is 16. 25 minus 8 is 16. 50 plus 16 is 66.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
Yeah, children.
isn't it 17, sir?
No.
25 minus 8 is
Yes, so 25
17.
minus 8 is 17 q square or 17 p square.
Okay. 17 p square. Okay. 17 q square. Okay, children. 17 p square plus 17 q square plus 66 p. Okay, children. Now, I will slowly I will tell children try to understand. Slowly I will say you will try to understand what is given. So, children, this is coming like this. Okay, so this is coming like this. When this is coming like this, children, all of you see here. This is plus, everything are plus for each other. Everything are plus. Everything is plus. So, children, when everything is plus, whole B is becoming positive value. Zero though won't come because all are plus. Nothing is there to cancel. D is becoming positive. D is becoming everything is plus only. When everything is plus only, it is some positive value. Compulsory it will be greater than zero only. Because zero chance is not there. Something should be there minus to get cancelled at least. There is no chance. So everything is plus, so it should be greater. D is greater than zero. If D is greater than zero, then it is real and distinct. It is real and distinct. You have to say right. All are plus values, nothing gets cancelled, and no negative chances are there. So D is positive. If D is positive, D is greater than zero. If D is greater than zero, then real and distinctive groups are possible. Like that you should say. Thank you for telling 17 children. Okay, children, next. All of you go to fifth sum, children. Okay, I'm telling you fifth sum. Shall I say fifth sum or any sum? Your choice, your wish. Fifth sum, I'm saying, no, sir, I want this sum, that sum, I'll say that sum. First, let me see. Shall I say, yeah, see, fifth sum, I'll say first, then one, your choice, I'll tell. C square minus AB x square minus 2 into B A square. A square minus BC x plus B square minus AC is equal to 0. Same set of real and distinct. We have to prove that A is equal to 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3. Same children, let's do. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Okay. What is B children? Minus 2 into A square minus BC whole square 4 into what is A children? This is C square minus CB. What is C children? B square minus AC is equal to 0. Let's do children. Come on. Minus 2 whole square is how much children? 4. A square minus BC whole square 4 into B square minus AB into B square minus AC is equal to 0. 4 is here, 4 is here. Take common and bring down, it will become 0. So I remove 0. Once you remove 4, once you remove 4, now expand this A minus B whole square. A square into square 4. B square minus 2AB. 2A. Okay, C square into B square. B square, B square. C square into minus AC. Minus AC square. Minus AB into B square. Minus AB square. Minus into minus plus A square BC. Now see, A4. B square C square. 2A square BC minus C square B square plus AC square plus AB square minus A
So
square.
that is AC cube, no, sir?
Which one, Nana? AC cube?
C square into minus AC, sir.
Yeah, AC, AC, yes, AC cube. Thanks. Okay, children. So anything gets cancelled, children?
And also AB cube, sir.
Which is AB cube? This one, minus AB.
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus. Now I open, okay, minus, so which you have to change? This is C square, this is AC plus AC cube, children. And this is cube, children, and minus A square. Anything should be cancelled, children?
B square, C square cancel, sir.
Which one? This one.
B
Yeah.
square, C square.
This one gets a cancel over, children. No, cancelling is over. Now slowly take A is there, this is there, A is there, here, A is there, here, A is there. A is common, A cube plus B cube plus c cube here minus this is 2a square bc minus a square bc children. This is minus 3a square bc children. If a is gone out, this is 3ab is equal to 0. Minus 2a square bc minus a square bc is minus 3a square bc. From that one we have. So children, this we can do in two things. One, bring all this thing down. So a will be 0. A is equal to 0 by both these. Once bring a 0 children. Once bring a down, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0 by a. Okay, that will be what children? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. If you bring this here, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3. Hence proved. This is also proved. And if you bring this whole thing down, a is equal to 0. That is also. Both things are proved, children. This is how we are going to do level 3 sums. Children, you may think that the sir said all easy sums and going away. One chance I will give. Any sum out of 10. You ask me, I will do that sum.
Eighth question.
Eighth question, chalo. Eighth question. Whichever you wanted. Okay, eighth question. All of sums only I wrote first children actually for your explanation. Eighth question also I'm doing. This is the last question I'm doing, children. You have to practice all the sums each three times, children. 2 is the root of 3x square plus px minus 8 is equal to 0. And what is the other one, children? 4x square. 2 is the root of this also. Minus 2px plus k is equal to 0. 2 is the root of this, both of them. They has it. Find k. Find k, children. 2 is the root of both of them, children. So, using 2, first find p. Using 2, first find p, children. After putting p, then find k. Okay, how, children? I'm showing. First substituting this or this anywhere you substitute, children. I'm substituting here. First 2 you substitute here, children. 3 into 2 square plus, because it is a root now, you have to put in the case of x only. So children, 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. So the 4 for 12 plus 2p minus 8 is equal to 0. 2p plus 4 is equal to 0. This comes here. 2p is equal to minus 4. P is equal to minus 2. P we got minus 2. Let's check here also. We'll put and see whether we get same answer or not. Okay, let's put and see. 4 into 2 square minus 2p into 2 plus k is equal to 0. 2 to the 4, 4 is 16 minus 4p plus k is equal to 0. Okay, children. So put this p here. Put p here. This p you put here, children. This p you put here. What you get? 16 minus 4 into minus 2 plus k is equal to 0. 16 minus of minus plus 8 plus k is equal to 0. 24 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 24. That's it. Over. So 2 I substituted here. I found out p. P I substituted here. I found out k. Again I'm saying 2 I substituted here. I found out p. P I substituted here. I found out k. That's it. And this way, during sums you have to practice, and all the sums which I will practice each three times, then only you become perfect children. It's my kind advice, and submit homework. Thank you.